General Point 2 near Cuba City, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard to inhale and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, public. Inside a strong building and away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 4 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Edgerton, moving east at 65 miles an hour. This is a destructive storm for Evansville, Edgerton, and Fort Atkinson.
Jesus Christ.
Hazard, baseball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. At 6:45 a.m., trained weather spotters reported baseball-sized hail in Brooklyn.
What the fuck?
Impact people and animals. Stay away from windows. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay.